Well, hey, all you viewers to be named later, how we doing today? Hey, I just want to say this. If this is your first time on my channel, thanks for finding this video. We do things a little differently here, but I kind of try to make it a little bit fun. Because, you know, I don't want to be like every other channel. I want to be a little bit unique. But alright, so as you know by that thumbnail picture, whatever else you clicked on to get here, we're going to take a look at another offering by Readywise from their Simple Kitchen. That's their, what do we got here? Freeze-dried blueberries and yogurt. Alright. You're going to see me eat something healthy, so I don't know, you may see an adverse reaction. Joke, joke, joke. Let's get all the important bits out of the way. As, what do we got here? When does it, bit my tongue. No, I'm not going to cut that out. I like leaving the screw-ups in there. As of Wednesday, October 5th, 2022, over on Readywise's Simple Kitchen part of their website, you can only find it in a 6-pack for $35.79, and it's sold out. I got this at my local Walmart in, as my better half loves to call it, the Armageddon aisle for $5. So not bad for a healthy, nutritious treat that's freeze-dried, got a great shelf life, throw it in your pack, and you're okay. Now I know for some of you out there with your gluten allergies, as it says right there, it's gluten-free. Made with real fruit. I know there's an expiration date somewhere around here, because these things, like, they're kind of like forever almost. Of course, now I can't find it. They are made in the USA out of Salt Lake City, Utah. I like how they put it gluten-free, peanut-free, tree nut-free. Okay, for those of you who like to see all that fun stuff for the nutritional facts, take a freeze frame, peruse that at your leisure. Alright, seeing how I can't find the expiration date, seriously, normally it's stamped in here somewhere, which is kind of odd. Alright. Let's open it up. Oh, the weight of this thing is about 1.51 ounces, or 43 grams for all my friends across the pond. So let's get her open. Kind of what I expected. That's what it looks like. Okay, we're going to do a taste test, but as you know, the monsters are over there having their morning meal, so we got to get some independent contractors, right? Come on, guys. They've all been watching me kind of like, hey, we got to get over here, we got to get over here, we got to get over here. Man, they're like a pack of hyenas. Make sure you take some of the white stuff and the blue stuff. The white stuff is the yogurt, the blue stuff is the blueberries. Make sure you get one of each. Hold on, move to the side. Finish the Cheerios in your mouth. No fair mixing them up. Make sure you get one of each. We're trying to control the experiment. Got one of each? Make sure you get one of each. Now I gotta throw the pack away with your monkey paws being in there. Don't want the monkey virus. My son's nickname has been the monkey forever, so please, just don't read into that, okay?
There it is.
Got one of each?
Yep.
You done?
No, I haven't finished the show.
Hurry up. You're holding up the video. Seriously, come on.
Okay.
Alright, guys. Not yet, not yet. You've already started ahead, that's fine. You other two, in the mouth. Okay. Hold on. You.
I think the yogurt would taste good alone, but it doesn't taste good with the blueberry.
Okay, hold on. Come here. Come here. I want to know. Here, that's yogurt by itself. You.
Yeah, yogurt tastes good.
Hold on, hold on.
Both of them kind of taste sour, but overall it's pretty good.
Alright, go back to your breakfast. You.
Yep.
The taste is pretty good, but it's a bit dry.
Okay, a bit dry. It's supposed to be. It's freeze-dried. Go back to your breakfast.
The yogurt tastes good alone.
Okay, she says the yogurt tastes good alone. The yogurt bite was kind of what I expected it to be, seriously. What caught me off guard was the blueberry. I'm going to try another one and do it again just to see. So. Yeah, it's like. Okay, it's not bad. Is it anything I'd probably go back for again? I don't know. It's me and healthy, so. Last stuff I bought blueberries for was to dump it in a gallon of mead. But still, the blueberry, when you pop it in your mouth, it almost seems to rehydrate instantly with the saliva in your mouth. And it gives you that weird, like you put something that tastes almost like a sponge in there, then it's like, ooh, blueberry. I mean, it's not bad. The yogurt, It's kind of what I expected, you know? I mean, honestly, I like yogurt frozen with gummy bears and chocolate chips and everything else in there. I mean, come on. I'm a old fat boy. The yogurt breaks down quick. I mean, really, really quick in your mouth. It's not bad. Like I said, for $5, it's not a bad snack that you can throw in your pack, your inch bag, your get-home bag, whatever else you need. Like I said, I can't find the expiration date on it, which, honestly, it's strange for freeze-dried food. It really is, because they've got it basically posted everywhere. So you can just take a look at it and be like, okay. But still, we are at the best part of the video for me. Really, I love this part of every video because I always learn something from you guys in the comments. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, all that great stuff right down below. Have you tried these before? Have you had successes with them before? Would you recommend them? Do you hate them? Like I said, not bad. It was an interesting experience with the blueberry when you have that dehydrated little spongy thing, throw it in there and all of a sudden, ooh, blueberry. Yogurt goes quick like that. But, okay, now, if it made you laugh, made you cringe, made you cry, made you do any of that during this video, please hit that big old thumbs up. It's only going to show love and support for the channel, and that is always appreciated. But there we go, guys. My quick look and some unbiased taste testing on the Readywise Simple Kitchen freeze-dried blueberries and yogurt. I want to thank all of you for watching this one. I hope you're having a safe day, a great day, and I'll see all of you, hopefully, in our very next video.